How to fix CapCut subtitles not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is simply launch the Play Store application on a device and search for CapCut. So as you can see, there's no option of update beside the CapCut application, which means we have the latest version of the CapCut application on our device. So all you have to do is now go back and make a long press on the CapCut application over here and then tap on App Info. As you do that, it will land you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you tap on it, you can clear cache and tap on OK. Next, tap on App Permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options by going to each options and allowing their access. Now, as you do that, you can go and check if your issues has been solved. If not, you can just make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. This might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.